Dear friends, in this video we are going to discuss one more method for divisibility rule of 11. Divisibility rule for 11. Friends, this is a very good technique. It is a latest technique. This technique is popularly known as pairing technique. I will tell you. Suppose there is a number called 3872. There is a number called 3872. This number is exactly divisible by 11. Why we know? Because if you use the alternate numbers technique, 7 plus 3 is 10, 8 plus 2 is also equal to 10. So 10 and 10 difference is 0. That is why we can say that it is exactly divisible by 11. But now our technique is a different technique. Since we know our technique's name is pairing technique, so let us make pair of numbers starting from the units place. So 72 is a pair, 38 is also pair. Now my dear friends, divide each and every pair with 11. So 38 is a pair, 3 and 8 makes a pair, that number is 38, 7 and 2 makes a pair, that number is 72. When I divide 38, what is the 38 with 11? 38 by 11, the remainder is 5. So I am writing plus 5 here. So remainder is 5. What is that remainder? I have divided that number with 11 and I got remainder as 5. Similarly, if I divide 72 with by 11, the remainder will be 11 6 are 66 and the remainder will be 6. That's why I have written plus 6. If the sum of these numbers is equal to 11 or multiples of 11, then the entire number is divisible by 11. Friends, 5 and 6 plus 5 and plus 6 sum is 11. So we can clearly say 3872 is exactly divisible by 11. Not only this method is not only useful for remainder techniques, we can also take the deficiencies. Suppose my dear friends, same 3872 I am taking. I am making pairs of numbers. 38 is a number. When I make 38 as a pair, it became 38. When I make 72 as a pair, it became 72. You can take the deficiencies. Deficiencies are also called as negative reminders. So that means 38. What is the next multiple of 38? What is the next multiple of 11 for 38? Actually, it is 44. What is the deficiency that we get to become 44? 6 is the deficiency, right? If 6 is added, then this number will become 44. So the deficiency is 6. Deficiency I am writing as minus. Here the deficiency for an exact multiple of 11 is 6. Here what is the deficiency? We know 11 8s are 88 and 11 8s are 88, or we can say 11 7s are 77. So here the deficiency is 5. Deficiency of 5 I am writing as 6 minus 5. What is the sum? Minus 11. So now this number is also, if you take the reminders or if you take the deficiencies, the result should be the sum of the deficiencies or the reminders should be 11 or multiples of 7. Friends, some people take both deficiencies and reminders, then obviously your target should be 0. Suppose 38 3872. Here what is the remainder? Plus 5. And what is the deficiency here? What is deficiency here? Plus 5 is the remainder here. Deficiency for 72, because it is minus 5. So here plus 5 and minus 5 will make 0. That means this number is exactly divisible by 11. Or the other way also you can take. Same 3872 I am taking. Here I am taking the deficiency and this side I am taking the remainder. Suppose if I take the deficiency here, what is the deficiency of becoming 44? Here the deficiency is 6. And here what is the remainder? Positive remainder. Positive remainder is plus 6, because 11 6 are 66 plus 6. Then also if we add these two numbers, the target will be, the answer will be 0. So I have told you 4 techniques. This is called pairing technique. You can take all as excess. You can take all as deficiencies. If you take all as excess and all as deficiencies, the sum should be 11 or multiples of 11. When you take both, if you want to take both deficiencies and also excess reminders, then obviously your target should be 0. So in any way, the sum of the deficiencies or sum of the excess should be 11 or multiples of 11. If you take both into consideration, your target should be 0. I hope you liked our technique. Now we will go for an example. Let us see here. I am going for an example. 352. We know this number is exactly divisible by 11, but how to make pairs? Because there is a 3-digit number, no problem, put it 0 here. So 52 is a number and 03 is a number. Generally there are so many techniques, 4 techniques I have told you, but I am taking always the excess, because excess will be somewhat easy. So since 3 is not exactly divisible by 11, so I am taking plus 3 directly, it will come as the remainder. 52, what is the remainder when I divide 52 with 11? 11 4s are 44 and 8 is there. Plus 3 plus 8, what is the sum? 11. So 352 is the remainder. If you take the deficiencies, then also same thing. 0 3 5 2 deficiencies. What is the deficiency here? This is minus 8. What is the deficiency here? This is minus 3. Plus minus 8 and minus 3, that is also 11. So if you take both, no problem. Suppose here what is the excess? Plus 3. Here what is the deficiency for 55? So because 11 5s are 55, it is minus 3. Plus 3 minus 3, it is 0. So in any way we can say 352 is exactly divisible by 11. Friends, now I am taking a 5-digit number. 5-digit number I am taking. The number is 25,916. This is a verified number. So we shall make pairs. 16 is a pair, 59 is a pair. We will put 0 because does not make any difference. 02 is a pair. I am going for the excess technique. Plus 2 is the excess here. 11 5s are 55, so excess is plus 4. 16, 11 1s are 11, excess is plus 5. So plus 2 plus 4 plus 5, it is 11. 11 is exactly 11 we got the sum. So 25,916 is exactly divisible by 11. So another 6-digit number directly I am taking. This is the technique. 76 50 28. This is plus 6. This is also plus 6, and this is plus 10. So plus 6 plus 6 plus 10, that is equal to 22. 22 is a multiple of 11. 11 2s are 22. So directly this number, so 2,85,076. So we can say it is exactly divisible by 11 because we got the sum of excess, we got as. Generally there are so many techniques, but people generally like to go for excess technique. They write the excess numbers. If the sum of all the excess is 11 or multiples of 11, then we can say that entirely that number is divisible by. This technique is highly useful to solve some complex questions based on the divisibility rule of 11. I hope you liked our technique. Please subscribe to our channel, Mark Institute.